हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, प्योरपीडिया एजुकेशन में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं जितेंद्र त्यागी। तो जैसा कि आप सभी को पता चल ही चुका है दैट एडीसी ने वैकेंसी निकाली है जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव पोस्ट के लिए, और काफी अच्छा नंबर है और रिसेंटली भी उन्होंने रिक्रूटमेंट किया हुआ है बड़े अच्छे तरीके से। सो अब जो एग्जाम का पैटर्न है आप सभी को उसके बारे में आइडिया है। 120 क्वेश्चन और 120 मिनट्स का टाइम होता है, जिसमें 30 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मैथमेटिक्स 11-12, 30 questions from physics 11-12, and then 20 questions English, और 15 aptitude, 15 रीजनिंग और 10 GS GK, राइट। ये उनका पैटर्न रहता है। तो अभी इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे बात करूंगा एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन के बारे में कि 15 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन, हाउ यू कैन प्रिपेयर एंड व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स एंड what policy you should follow during the exam, right, to solve all the questions of aptitude section. So let us have a look on the questions, on the chapters from which they have asked questions, as well as what are other important chapters, right. So here we have a list, you can see here. So I have taken reference of one previously recently held question paper. So percentage, okay, all of you know that percentage is a very, very important chapter in all competitive exam. So all of you must prepare percentage topic, because that is easy. Once you study it, you can understand, you can remember, and you can solve the problem in the exam easily. Very simple question from percentage was there. So don't ignore this percentage chapter, prepare it, okay. And also it will help you in other topics like in profit loss discount, also in simple interest, compound interest also, okay, in mixture and allegation also, in many other topics it is the backbone actually. So this is compulsory to prepare percentage, right. Then profit loss and discount is one important chapter from where they have asked two questions, okay. One was based on successive discount and one was the basic concept of discount. Both were based on discount actually. So this is also important chapter, because two questions in one question paper out of 15, two questions is really important number, okay. So profit loss discount को आपको second stage में prepare करना है, पहले percentage, then profit loss discount, okay. Then simple interest, compound interest, installment. So there were two questions from this, and mainly both questions were based on installment actually, okay. So you prepare what is simple interest, what is the formula involved, what is compound interest, what are the different type of questions there, and installment also you have to prepare. Installment is also important, okay. So this is important chapter, you cannot ignore this, right. You have to prepare it for your ATC exam, right. Then ratio and proportion. So this question was actually common sense based question. We cannot say directly from ratio and proportion, but you should know all the basic concepts of ratio and proportion, okay. This is important for mixture and allegation also, okay. So first three are compulsory to prepare, and this also you should prepare because it is also easy. Only once you have to study you can solve the problem in exam, okay. Then digit add unit place. So in my class I take around 1 hour to explain all the concept of unit place, and if you get the idea, then you cannot skip this question in exam. Easily you can solve. Once you know the basic concept of unit place, you can easily solve the problem in exam. So easy question and important question, again they may ask such question. So prepare it, how to find digit at the unit place of a number. Like you have 3 to the power 100, okay, and they ask what is the digit at the unit place. So such question you have to prepare. Then average. So average is important. Simple formula is there. Average of numbers is equal to sum of numbers upon number of numbers. So just once you solve the different problems based on average, you will be able to solve in exam, okay. Then mensuration. So mensuration has two parts. One is finding areas and another one is finding volumes. So very simple level question will be there, direct formula based question will be there, okay. So once you study all the formulas, you should know area of rectangle, area of square, area of triangles, okay, and area of parallelogram. Then surface area of 3D figures, volume of 3D figure in which cylinder, okay. Then right circular cone. Question was from right circular cone. One question was there from right circular cone, Okay, then sphere, one was based on sphere actually. Two questions were there, one from cone, one from sphere. So both volume and surface area you have to prepare, and only formulas are there in this chapter. So once you read all the formulas, most of the students generally remember the formulas of mensuration. You can solve the question in exam, right? Then pipes and cistern. Okay, so time and work, pipes and cistern are related concept. So prepare both the chapters. Okay. However, in this question paper, there was no question from time and work. It was from pipes and cistern, but time and work is also important chapter. So you cannot ignore that, right? So pie chart. Two same type of question were there from pie chart. So pie chart also you should know how to read, how to find the angles of different sectors. Okay, so you have to prepare it. Then number system. So number system is a big chapter in which we have different things. Like we have problems on divisibility, we have problems on reminders, we have problems on SCF, LCM, all these things. So please revise important concepts of number system. Okay, this unit place is also considered under number system actually. I have written it separately, okay, to highlight the importance. So in number system, SCF concept, LCM concept is really important. And divisibility problems, okay, find different situations of reminders. All these things are important, you have to prepare. Then we have time, speed, distance. So there was one question. So we have divided it in three parts. Time, speed, distance concept, in which only average speed concept is the most important key factor. If you know the method of finding average speed, then you can solve the problems. All right. Then problems of train separately, problems of boat separately. So all the three things you have to prepare actually, right? Then come to mixture and alligation. So it was not so important in previous questions, but you should know the simple alligation rule. Only one formula is there. Solve 10 to 15 questions, get the idea, and you will prepare it. Okay. Then concept of remainder is also important. In different cases, you have to find the remainders of a division. So this is important chapter, the important topic under number system actually. So you should know how to find the remainders in different situations. Okay. Then height and distance. So actually in mathematics section, they ask questions from trigonometry. Now height and distance is also part of trigonometry. It is application of trigonometry. So maybe they ask any question from height and distance in mathematics section or in aptitude section. Possibility is there. Only simple concept is there. Angle of elevation, angle of depression, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. This is the most important key factor in this chapter. If you know the basic concept, you can solve the problem in exam. Okay. So solve 5 to 10 questions only from height and distance. You will get the idea. Okay. Then you will be able to solve the question in exam. Then sequences. So sequence and series actually comes under 11th class mathematics. So they may ask question from sequences in either mathematics section or it may be in aptitude section also. So you should know AP, GP. What are the different formulas? Infinite AGP, infinite GP. There's some, okay, properties of AP. All these things you have to prepare at least once. Then SCF, LCM, I have already told you. This is important. You cannot ignore SCF, LCM concept. Then simplification. So simplification problems may be there. Okay. Simple different operations they can involve in the problem, and then you have to find the simplified value. So however, this is not so much important for this ATC exam, but if you have time, then you can go with simplification, solving surds, indices. Okay. If you don't have time, then you can ignore it. Okay. So this is the strategy which you have to follow. And first of all, prepare these topics. And after preparation, if you feel that you have more time to capture more topics, then you can go for other topics. Otherwise, stuck to these topics mainly, because 15 mark questions will be there. So most of the questions, almost all the questions will be from these topics mainly. This is my guess, right, about this upcoming exam. So prepare aptitude section and 15 questions from this, 30 questions from mathematics. So 30 plus 15, 45 questions you are getting from actually mathematics and aptitude section. This is a big number. Okay. Then physics also you can get a good number of questions solved. And then you go for English, reasoning, GK. So prepare all things, right? Because if you see any simple question in reasoning, solve that immediately. Okay. And later on, at the time of exam, we will discuss the complete strategy, how to attempt questions in the exam, which question first, which question later. Okay, different situations we will discuss before the exam also. So right now this was about this aptitude section mainly. Okay, I wish you all the best. और जिन बच्चों को भी अभी जो चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब अच्छी एटीसी में लगे, वेरी गुड जॉब इज देयर, सो उन सबको इस एग्जाम को सीरियसली लेके प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए। और जिन बच्चों ने ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर किया हुआ है उनको तो इसको अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह लेना चाहिए। जनरली ऐसा होता नहीं है कि इन द सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यू गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी अगेन जस्ट आफ्टर 3 or 4 months. So this is your good luck that you are getting this opportunity again. Okay, so you cannot neglect this opportunity. You have to work hard to achieve this opportunity in your life. Okay, all the best.